How celebrities stay fit, top workout routines, and diet secrets. In the dazzling world of celebrities, staying fit often feels like a must for success. Whether prepping for a movie role, hitting the red carpet, or focusing on personal well-being, fitness is a common goal. How do they stay in top shape despite their busy lives? In this guide, we'll explore the workout routines and diet secrets behind their stellar physiques. Welcome to our latest video. Today, we're diving into how celebrities stay fit, top workout routines, and diet secrets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Now, let's get started. Number 10. Consistency and discipline. What it is? Consistency and discipline are the cornerstones of achieving and maintaining fitness goals. Celebrities often adhere to rigorous routines and strict schedules to stay in top shape. Celebrity endorsement. Fitness icons such as Arnold Schwarzenegger and Jessica Biel exemplify the power of consistency and discipline in their routines. Schwarzenegger's commitment to weight training and Biel's dedication to a variety of workouts highlight their disciplined approach to fitness. How it works. Sticking to a consistent workout schedule and adhering to a healthy diet are crucial for long-term success. Celebrities frequently set clear goals, meticulously track their progress, and stay motivated to ensure they remain on track with their fitness regimes. Number 9. Sleep and recovery. What it is? Quality sleep and proper recovery are essential for both physical and mental health. Celebrities often place a high priority on rest as a fundamental part of their fitness and overall health regimen. Celebrity endorsement. Stars like Ariana Grande and LeBron James emphasize the importance of quality sleep. LeBron James, in particular, is known for his rigorous sleep schedule and recovery strategies, which play a significant role in his athletic performance. How it works. Aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night supports muscle recovery, cognitive function, and overall health. To enhance sleep quality and recovery, celebrities may use techniques such as sleep masks, sound machines, or relaxation routines. Number 8. Mental health and stress management. What it is? Managing mental health and stress is a critical component of overall well-being. Celebrities often highlight the importance of maintaining mental clarity and managing stress as part of their health routines. Celebrity endorsement. Oprah Winfrey and Serena Williams are notable for their focus on mental health. Oprah advocates for mindfulness and meditation, while Serena Williams integrates stress-reducing practices into her training regimen. How it works. Stress management techniques include meditation, journaling, and engaging in hobbies. Celebrities incorporate these practices into their routines to balance the demands of their careers with personal well-being. Number 7. Meal prep and cooking. What it is? Meal prepping involves preparing meals in advance to ensure healthy eating throughout the week. This approach helps manage portion sizes and makes nutritious choices more convenient. Celebrity endorsement. Celebrities like Chrissy Teigen and Kylie Jenner have shared their meal prepping routines and healthy recipes. Chrissy Teigen's cookbooks feature a range of nutritious recipes, while Kylie Jenner often shares her favorite healthy snacks. How it works. Meal prepping can include cooking and portioning meals for the week ahead. This might involve grilling chicken, preparing salads, or making smoothie packs. By planning and preparing meals in advance, individuals can avoid unhealthy fast food and ensure they are consuming balanced meals. Number 6. Balanced diet and nutritional strategies. What it is? A balanced diet includes a variety of foods in appropriate proportions to meet nutritional needs. Celebrities often follow specific dietary strategies to complement their fitness routines and maintain their physiques. Celebrity endorsement. Stars like Beyoncé and Tom Brady are known for their meticulous dietary habits. Beyoncé follows a plant-based diet for detox and health, while Tom Brady adheres to a strict diet emphasizing anti-inflammatory foods and high-quality proteins. How it works. A balanced diet typically includes lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and a variety of fruits and vegetables. Celebrities often avoid processed foods, refined sugars, and excessive alcohol. Hydration is also crucial, with many opting for water or natural beverages over sugary drinks. Number 5. Personal trainers and specialized programs. What they are. Many celebrities work with personal trainers who create customized workout programs tailored to their specific needs and goals. These trainers often use specialized techniques and innovative exercises. Celebrity endorsement. Celebrities like Khloe Kardashian and Mark Wahlberg are known for their commitment to personal trainers. Khloe's trainer, Gunnar Peterson, has developed a unique workout plan that blends strength training, cardio, and functional exercises. How it works. Personal trainers assess an individual's fitness level, goals, and preferences to design a tailored workout program. This approach ensures that exercises are both effective and aligned with the individual's needs, offering personalized attention and motivation. Number 4. Cardiovascular exercise. What it is. Cardiovascular exercises, or cardio, involve activities that raise the heart rate and improve overall cardiovascular health. This includes running, cycling, swimming, and aerobics. Celebrity endorsement. Many celebrities incorporate cardio into their routines. For example, Jessica Biel and Rihanna often share snippets of their cardio workouts, such as running or cycling, which help them maintain a lean physique and boost energy levels. How it works. Cardio workouts are generally performed for longer durations compared to HIIT. Activities like running or swimming improve heart health, increase endurance, and help burn calories. Aiming for 30 to 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous cardio exercise several times a week can enhance fitness and weight management. Number 3. Strength training. What it is. Strength training involves using resistance to build muscle strength and endurance. This can include lifting weights, using resistance bands, or performing bodyweight exercises. Celebrity endorsement. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is renowned for his rigorous strength training regimen. His workouts, often shared on social media, include a mix of weightlifting and functional exercises designed to build muscle and endurance. How it works. Strength training exercises are typically performed in sets and repetitions. For example, lifting weights involves performing a set number of repetitions, reps of an exercise, resting, and then repeating. This method helps in muscle hypertrophy, growth, and strength development. Number 2. Yoga and Pilates. What they are. Yoga and Pilates are low-impact exercises that focus on flexibility, strength, and mental well-being. While yoga integrates breath control and meditation, Pilates emphasizes core strength and stability. Celebrity endorsement. Stars like Gwyneth Paltrow and Kate Hudson are known for their dedication to yoga and Pilates. Paltrow has been practicing yoga for decades, often sharing her routines with her followers. Kate Hudson's brand, Fabletics, promotes a balanced lifestyle that includes Pilates. How they work. Yoga involves various poses and stretches that enhance flexibility, balance, and mindfulness. Pilates focuses on controlled movements that strengthen the core and improve posture. Both practices contribute to overall body toning and mental relaxation. Number 1. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. What it is. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a form of exercise that alternates between short bursts of intense activity and periods of lower-intensity recovery or rest. This approach maximizes calorie burn and boosts cardiovascular health in a relatively short amount of time. Celebrity endorsement. Celebrities like Jennifer Lopez and Chris Hemsworth swear by HIIT for its efficiency and effectiveness. J.Lo's trainer, David Kirsch, has shared that her workouts often include HIIT routines combining cardio with strength training. How it works. HIIT workouts typically involve exercises such as sprinting, burpees, or jumping jacks performed for 20 to 30 seconds, followed by a brief rest period. This cycle is repeated for 20 to 30 minutes. The high-intensity bursts push the body to burn more calories even after the workout is complete, thanks to the afterburn effect. That's a wrap on how celebrities stay fit, top workout routines, and diet secrets. I hope you enjoyed exploring their fitness secrets. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.